Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a network with LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a complete and professional profile. Choose a clear and professional profile photo. Craft a compelling headline that summarizes your professional identity. Write a well thought out summary that highlights your skills and experiences. Add relevant work experiences, including accomplishments and responsibilities for each role. Ensure your education section is complete with degrees and certifications. Include skills that are directly relevant to your career objectives. Start connecting with people you know. This is your foundation. Use personalized connection requests to introduce yourself. Explore LinkedIn groups related to your industry or interests. Engage with posts in these groups to showcase your expertise. Regularly share insightful articles or updates on your own profile. Comment on posts from your connections and industry leaders. Follow influencers or companies in your field for insights and networking opportunities. Consider reaching out to alumni from your school for connections. Attend webinars and networking events promoted on LinkedIn. Utilize the search feature to find professionals in your area of interest. Engage with content from these professionals to initiate conversations. Maintain consistent communication with your connections through messages or updates. Offer to help others in your network, fostering reciprocal relationships. Periodically review and update your profile to reflect new skills or achievements. Track your networking progress and adapt your approach as necessary. Remember, building a network takes time and effort. Stay active and engaged for continuous growth. Your network is not just about quantity, focus on quality connections. Utilize LinkedIn proudly as a tool for professional development. With dedication, you will see your career opportunities expand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.